So hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm back with this new video where I want to show you how I'm making this blanket. This is taking me quite a long time to finish because I've been doing many projects, but I wanted to share it with you before I finish it all because the stitch is too pretty to wait for longer. I don't know, I like how it is. It's very stretchy and it's very thick. This is mainly for winter, like if you have winter in your country, like some countries it's winter time now, so you can go ahead and make it. Otherwise you can make it for the coming winter, hopefully. So what I like in this stitch, the way it looks like, it's like a braid all along, and then behind it's like the knit stitch effect, and it's very stretchy as I said, and it's very thick as well. Will keep you really warm, or whoever you wanted to gift it to. So I'm gonna show you a demonstration, like a small sample of this blanket, but the actual project, you decide how to make it. Soon I'll be posting the written pattern for this blanket I'm making, so I can share it with everybody. But for now, we'll start with the demonstration. So I'm using a red heart soft yarn I have for some time and 5mm crochet hook. Now on the fourth chain from the hook, I will make 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert my hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in every chain till the end of the row. And this is my last stitch chain where I'll do the last double crochet. Now I'm gonna chain 1 and I'll turn. So now we're gonna start the stitch. I'll yarn over. I've got the last stitch over here, and I got the next stitch over here. What I'm gonna do is insert my hook in between the 2 stitches, take it out behind the second stitch, and work my double crochet. Again, yarn over, go to between the next 2 stitches, take it out behind the next stitch and work my double crochet. And this is the stitch before the last. I will do the same. And then a normal double crochet on top of the last chain or stitch. So this is what I got first. The next row will be a single crochet row. So I'll chain one. I will make one single crochet in the first stitch and one single crochet in every stitch. So basically what we need to remember, one row of front post stitch double crochet and one row of single crochet. That's all it consists of. You see how it looks from behind like this already? Again, now chain one, and I'm gonna do the front post stitch again. So yarn over, insert my hook in the previous double crochet, not in the single crochet, in the previous double crochet. Same thing in all the stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook in the previous double crochet under the single crochet row and work the front post stitch. So for changing color, I'll put a link to a video where I show you how to change color so you can see how to do it easily. and a normal double crochet in the space, chain 1, and again a single crochet row. And again now chain 1, and we repeat the front post stitch. So you see already how it looks from the front, and from behind you continue the same. So as a recap, what we do, 1 row of double crochet, then we do the front post stitch throughout the next row, then 1 single crochet, then again the next row front post stitch on the previous double crochet, not on the single crochet, and then a single crochet. So 1 row of single crochet, 1 row of the front post stitch. So here we have the single crochet, here we have the previous front post stitch. Again, that's where we work our double crochet or front post double crochet. Once you progress with the work, you can feel when you touch the blanket that it's very thick and very nice. It's easy as well to achieve even for beginners. The last stitch and a normal double crochet in the last one, and again we chain 1 and a single crochet throughout. You see also at the back it starts to look like the knit stitch effect, very pretty one, exactly like this one I'm doing, and I need to finish. So I hope you like this stitch, very easy one to achieve. Yeah, very easy one to achieve. It might need a lot of yarn, but it's worth it because of the effect. It's like double stitch. You're working 2 different stitches in one pattern without really working 2. And then it's pretty and simple, and it's very easy to achieve. I hope you liked it and you find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the information. Until next time, take care, bye bye.